The Hubble telescope travels around the Earth in a circular orbit 540 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The radius of the Earth is 6,371 kilometers. Calculate the distance traveled by the telescope in one orbit of the Earth. Give your answer to the nearest kilometer. Write down your answer to part A in the form A times 10 to the k, where A is between 1 and 10 and k is an integer. So we need to have some sort of diagram. So here we have the Earth, here we have the Hubble telescope and its orbit round the Earth. We need to calculate the radius of the orbit, so you need to be careful because the radius of the orbit is going to be the radius of the Earth, 6,371 kilometers. That's the distance from here to here. But we have a little bit extra which we need to add in, which is 540 kilometers. So the radius of the orbit is the radius of the Earth, 6,371, plus 540 kilometers, and that gives me 6,911 kilometers. That's the total distance of the radius of the orbit. Now, the distance travelled in one orbit is the same as the circumference of the orbit path. So it's going to be the circumference of this red dotted circle out here. So distance is equal to the circumference, and the circumference is 2 pi r. So the distance is going to be 2 pi times the radius, which is 6,911 calculated from here, which is going to be 43,423.09 kilometers on my calculator. I'm told to give it to the nearest kilometer, so it's going to be 43,423 kilometers to the nearest kilometer. Part B, we're asked to put this in standard form. So 43,423 kilometers is going to be 4.3423. So that makes sure that A is between 1 and 10. How many times have I moved the decimal place? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to multiply that by 10 to the power of 4 kilometers. Normally in IB we give our answer to 3 significant figures. So that will be 4.34, that 2 will keep that 4 as a 4, times 10 to the 4 kilometers.